Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Just let me know traders, am I audible to you? Traders, am I audible to you? Just let me know. I'm not able to see any comments here. Okay. So after a long time we have come live. So the time is around 8 o'clock. Now here traders, as you can see, market recently it has given a breakdown here. Let me change this color. Market has given a breakdown here. So basically our market, crypto market is not moving based on price action stop loss hunting. Rather, it is more moving based on the global market sentiment. But here only, since it has given a breakdown, everyone is interested to take a bearish trade. And market, I was thinking at this zone, if market comes out with small risk, I'll be planning for a bullish trade. Okay, so I'm placing my entry here and I'm going to place my stop loss little below this zone. Let me copy the price. So usually so much stop loss is not required. The whole idea is just to, at this breakdown, many people will be interested in bearish trade. So expectation is little market can correct. So too much stop loss I'm not going to give for this trade. I'm just going to manage the existing trade. This is the long position. So close to up to this zone risk reward, if I, because market candles also is very big, right? So this is one simple trading setup which I'm going to have taken right now, just to see if interested in bearish trade. People would have been waiting for a bearish trade opportunity. So once this breakdown happened, uh, more people will be thinking, okay, let me, this can be an opportunity to enter. So very big stop loss I'm not giving. As long as market is sustaining this zone, this one opportunity I'll try to capture. Okay, so let us see. Immediately it's correcting a bit, but hopefully it holds on. Still 10 more days is pending, sir. See, I know I've received some WhatsApp message. Whatever is the case, today I did not have time to look into it. Tomorrow morning, I'll definitely focus on that. I'll sort out whatever issue is there. All the messages I will reply. Okay. Now this current market, you would have seen recently, right? Every moment what is happening in the market is mostly based on the sentiment, where people are too much worried that there is not going to be any interest rate cut. Okay, inflation might increase. Apart from this, there are other reasons also. Recently you would have heard that mm, there has been a hack where close to 1.5 billion worth uh, tokens had been people had hacked it. So like this, when market sentiment only is already negative, and many people, they are just thinking in the edge of, okay, let me book my profits. Market is, I'm speaking about US market, market is overvalued. Is there any trigger for, should I hold or should I not hold? Like this confusion when people is having in their mind, definitely they, any small negative news that will push them, or that will create a trigger for them to consider, okay, let me exit from the market. So when that kind of trigger happens, let's say this news recently, all the tariff thing, what is happening, or the US market from the upper level, people start booking profit. Fed is not cutting interest rate, they're expecting the data what they're getting is kind of negative, which is not showing any sign of interest rate cut. So when this kind of situation comes, definitely what will happen is everyone will be thinking of exiting from the market. All they wanted was a trigger. See, the small stop loss trade I tried, but market did not sustain this. This was just an attempt to ride the upside move. Let me see one more opportunity if I get. I'm just considering this as a zone where market can hold on if it wants to move towards the upside, but too much risk reward I will not keep. Small risk only I'm going to take. So like I said, so people were just looking for a push, right? So that kind of push came, from the tariff news or all the negative news or companies results. So based on that, definitely when this kind of triggers are coming, that time price action stop loss hunting to a certain extent it might not work, right? What might work more is the trend. If everyone is starting to sell, stop loss hunting to a certain extent might not work. So that is why my main focus is what is always based on price action stop loss hunting. In Indian market it is working great. In crypto market, little break I had given. So from now going forward, I'll be focusing more in crypto market as well. Morning Indian market, evening crypto market. Like European market also I'm thinking of concentrating. I'll keep you posted on that. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, this whole week night time I will be posting I'll be coming live. But from upcoming week, I think afternoon also, after I close Indian market somewhere around 1:30. I don't usually see Indian market after 1 o'clock, 1:30 to 2, after that. So during that time, if crypto market is interesting, I will focus on that. Okay. See, market has some potential of correcting to trap people who's entered the bearish this one. So one more attempt I'm going to do. Only thing is stop loss this time little more reasonable I will give here, because if this because see at the bottom there is no other stop loss hunting level in the market, right? Only stop loss hunting might be of people who have entered at this breakdown. To hunt their stop loss, little movement if market gives, or let's say it corrects up to 50% also, decent momentum will be able to capture. Now you can see this is a strong green candle. So market has to hold on to this green candle. As long as this green candle is followed by one more green candle, one more green candle, our job would be to kind of trail that levels and keep going on. Okay, so as of now around $15 profit. Can you please tell me when price action course will be available? Which price action course are you asking about specifically for crypto? Let's see up to what level market can move towards the upside. See, ideally this area can be the first target, this can be the second target. 987,500 can be the second target zone. Okay, so when market is somewhere near this first target, it is showing some correction, but I feel this will hold on. It will go up to the second target, 87,500. So I'm not going to change the stop loss or anything for this trade. I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'll use the Fibonacci level in today's case to plan my target. So in this case, long position, this is my entry, this is my stop loss, and 1 is to 1 point, around 1 is to 1.5 I'm getting. But ideally if market goes above this zone, I'll keep trailing and going. So close to 1 is to 2 risk reward is there for this trade. We'll see what happens. I hope you have understood the logic behind why I have taken this trade. See, when it comes to crypto and this one, you have been waiting for 4 months. Okay, I started this crypto only in the month of October, end of October, something like that. I started coming live at that point of time itself. Now, because of my personal situation, what is happening around, okay, even I'm not able to concentrate too much about making a certain logics while coming live. I'm explaining, but to make the course, I'm not getting that time. So that too, around 15 days break I have taken from the market and things like that, right? So little mindset I have to prepare, and then maybe give me another 15 more days time. I will share that free course with all the crypto community group members. Okay. So anyways, it's going to be free of cost itself. We are not going to charge anything for that. Just give me another 15 more days. I'll come up with price action and Fibonacci related strategies that I will explain that can give you an initial push. See, most of the price action concepts, whatever we use, it will be based on what we have learned in Indian market only, right? So price action is a universal concept which works everywhere. Only small changes we have to do based on crypto market. So that one we will do, and I will share. Okay. See, this setup little, if I had kept the stop loss properly, view was correct. Little lower, very small stop loss I had given off earlier. That was the problem. But anyways, that's okay. We will see. Now almost this first target, what I said, market has achieved. You can see here. We can see around $35. So this is the first target zone. Expectation is market will at least go up to 0.5 level. So if that is the case, little more momentum also will be able to capture. Little I'll trail off my stop loss. Okay. Because we are going opposite to the trend, right? And market movement is mostly based on the sentiment is completely bearish. Since I'm going opposite to the trend, and I'm going based on stop loss hunting of people who have entered at this breakdown. How many people would have entered? Some random people would have entered. Up to this zone market can go. After that, whatever movement market does, it is just a bonus. Up to this zone is what I'm at least expecting. We will see. So how many guys? Anup sir, uh, Lakshmi Narayana Babu sir, welcome back. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, Satish Kumar sir. Voice is very low. Santosh Kumar sir is saying. Is the voice low? Am I not audible to you guys? I'm speaking a bit louder itself. How to draw support and resistance level? You're asking these levels? This one, you see, previously this area was acting as a good support. Once this level is broken, it is acting as resistance. This is my target. In case market continues the move, I expect market to correct up to the zone 88,000 level, right? So that is why for my reference, I've kept this area. Okay. That is about why I marked that zone. Here previously this area was acting as a support. So once uh, it formed a double, some kind of double bottom here, so I'd marked this level and kept, so that if it breaks this level also, then expectation is little towards the upside. After trapping it can move, but I need a baseline, right, from where market can reverse. So let's say I went to 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, at this zone, you can see this zone, market continuously moved. It gave a pullback here. This area acted as support. From here, market formed higher lows and higher highs and moved towards the upside. So slow buying pressure started here. So I considered this area and this area as a range where market has potential to reverse. And once I noticed market has a potential of hunting the stop loss of bearish traders here, that opportunity I tried to capture. That's it. Nothing complicated here. 256 USD profit. Okay, super sir. Welcome back. Hope you had a good break. Yeah, Singapore was really nice. After a long time, another international travel, specifically not work related. Personally, I had gone. During that time, I did not look at the market or anything as such. So I wanted that break. So I had taken that. But now that I'm back, I'll start focusing more on all the contents in our ANA trading blog. Definitely, I can say I'm already working on 2-3 videos. Regularly, you will start watching those education content videos. Nifty Bank Nifty analysis video on YouTube posting doesn't make sense, because one day before I post those content, next day market opens at different level. Rather, in free Telegram channel only, I'm sharing the view, right? Every day I'm sharing before the market opens, around 15 or 20 minutes before. So you can make use of that. That information is more fresh. So those who were saying that you're missing my daily market analysis video, that means you have not joined a free Telegram channel. In free Telegram channel, you can see, where is it? Feb 25th, before the market opens, I think. You see pre-market around 8:56 a.m. I have shared. Clearly, I have explained the view. So that is more fresh. Okay. Now, how many of you entered the trade along with me? No need to give so much stop loss. And I said this can be the target as long as market is riding this good. To a certain extent, I have reduced the risk, right? Very small risk is around 42 people watching the live stream, only 17 likes. Come on, traders. After a long time, again, we have started to do daily market analysis. So please support the channel, motivate me by liking the video. If you're making use of the content logic, whatever I'm sharing here. Sir, do you take any levels for any trade in crypto? Levels means, say sometimes I'll focus on 786 level of Fibonacci. I'll mostly focus on uh, mostly what I will do, I'll tell you. I'll just go to 1 hour time frame chart, okay, and then I'll just keep looking at the market, okay. If I keep looking at the market based on how I've been looking in the market for all of these years, I try to understand what many people are trying to do, right? Once I understand what many people are trying to do, for example, in this case, this trading setup, I was just looking at the market here and all. I did not plan anything, but exactly when before me coming live, I got to know, okay, market is bearish here. Many people, if they think of entering the support also to hunt their stop loss, again market can move towards the downside. But if it gives a breakdown, more than people being interested to enter at the support, people will be interested in breakdown. Market gave that breakdown. That gave me confidence that many people are going to take a bearish trade. When more people are going to take a bearish trade, eventually market can tend to do opposite of what they plan. So now the second target achieved, but see, those who want to exit close to $60, you want to exit, you do that. Now the movement is there. If it can ride up to this zone, it is a good thing for us. We'll try to capture that. See, for example, if I see recent swing high to swing low, this market is respecting the 786 level of Fibonacci, right? So here there is a very slight chance that market can reverse. So I don't want to get into too much trouble. I'm just going to get my stop loss to this zone. Okay, entry was here, stop loss I've got it here. So already target achieved. Who want to exit, you exit. But if market holds on to this level, sorry, little lower I'll keep. Okay, if market is holding on to this level, I have nothing to lose here, right? So extra movement if I get, I will capture. If I don't get that extra movement, if it hits my stop loss also, anyways close to 40 $45, I will get in this trade. So this will be a profitable one for me without any problem. Danny Tails, welcome, welcome. Happy to see regular followers messaging coming back. Tarun sir, did you take any level? See, this is a crucial level, okay? This is a make or break level. So from here, as of now, recently whoever entered, all their stop loss market has hunted, okay? After hunting the stop loss, market has 50% chance of reversal from here, okay? That is why for stop loss what was here, I've got it up to this zone, so that in case the buyers are continuously market is falling, in case market doesn't want to reverse from 786 level of this level, it might think about giving a breakout here, and then from this zone it can correct. Okay, so to capture that extra around how much, around 700 points more, I'm just holding on to the trade. Since we have nothing to lose, we will hold on. Which pair is this? This is BTC USD. It's not visible, is it? Now it is visible. Hopefully, traders, expectation is at least here the zone is there. Market can give a breakout here, and later sellers again they can push the market from this zone. Let's see what level is this. This can be approximately, yeah. Here we have 618 level. Here we have 786 level. Maybe this zone will kind of focus about. Okay, from that zone there is a chance of market reversing. Whatever is the case, in this trade we are profitable. Whoever is worried you want to exit, you exit. Mahesh Reyes, after a long time. Yeah, even I know, long time. Don't worry, after this not too much breaks. I've already taken 10-12 days break. I'll start being more active in crypto market as well. So we'll all work things out, and maybe in the next servers asking 15-20 days, I'll make one course for you guys explaining how, at what levels can be important when we are looking at the naked chart without any indicators. How can we mark important levels, right? All those things with crypto community group members I will share. Okay, I'll make a dedicated 1 hour course and I will plan to share that. So just give me a little breathing space until end of this week. From Monday we can start off that. So now continuation is happening, so we will hold on. Let's not take too much headache. So stop loss again I've reduced. You see the candles are, each candles in this current market condition in recent days, just see each candle is close to 500 600 points means definitely if you are not going opposite to the trend, you have to be very very careful. So that is something that you guys have to focus on. Now what do you think, traders, do you expect BTC to go up to this zone? I feel there is a potential. That is why I've trailed my stop loss up to this zone and I'm still holding, or else I would have exited. I'm not saying there is 70-80% chance, but since we have reduced the stop loss, we are already profitable. 50-50% chance is there. That 50% chance, another 500 points if I'm getting, why not, right? So that is what I'm aiming for. Usually any trades we take, always it has, see the amount of losses that we make, right? We get things wrong is fine. Let's say uh, 10 trades you're taking, 5 6 trades you're making loss, no problem. Small stop loss you're giving, it's okay. But for against that, at least 1:2 risk reward you have to capture, right? So certain times in this case 1:2 already over here, I'm planning for 1:3. So this extra thing will help me to recover the losses what I made in the previous 6 trades. Trade by trade basis, definitely you cannot old trade, whatever first trade you took, you made a loss, don't worry too much about it, as long as you have given the stop loss as per your capacity. Once you have done that, focus on that 10 trades to 20 trades, take an average of that, in that you calculate your success rate. That would be more useful for you. Now here, if market is showing some kind of correction, it is done around $61 profit is what we made in this trade. So this trade setup done, right? So this trade is complete. Next trade, we'll see if there is anything interesting. Maybe what I'm thinking right now is consider this as a zone. If some kind of rejection or bearishness we get here in the zone, it would be a good one. Here only if I place my entry on the bearish side, okay, placing my stop loss here, this is just 50% chance, but if it goes here, if it corrects, probability is kind of 70%. That means I have to keep my stop loss a bit higher. So if I have to keep my stop loss a bit higher, it is close to 1000 points stop loss. So 1000 points stop loss is not making sense for me, right? So little more I will wait at this upper level, how market is reacting, any bearishness if I'm getting, I'll focus on that. What is the global market saying? Nasdaq, S&P 500, all of those things is close to 0.5 to 1%. So first trade done, we'll give it some time, because after a long time I'm coming live taking trades. 88,000 level to watch out. If it breaks, further move towards upside is high. I will focus on that. Like I said, this is the, I would consider that this area as a crucial zone, okay, where if market is holding on to this range, right, then both the side movement is possible. That time if I get a breakout, I'll focus on that, or directly, like I said earlier, where is that, this area, this area was acting as support. Once market broke the support, this has to act as resistance. Let's say market gave little more breakout, I feel the sellers who are here, they might put one attempt. Based on that, maybe I will look for some kind of bearish trade here. But if market is holding on, means I'll be ready for both the side setup. Okay. Little it came down and continuously it had moved. It moved towards the upside. That's why too much of stop loss trailing also I don't do. I just give market some breathing space, but this profit was more than what we expected somewhere at this zone, right? So that was a okay one for me. See, anyone who has messaged us after opening account with Delta Exchange, right? We have not added you to crypto community group. Just give me 1 day time. People who have messaged by tomorrow before I come live, I'll ensure all the messages replied. And for certain updates, I've gone back to Delta team also, Delta Exchange team. So after them giving me an update, if you are under our referral, definitely we'll add you to the group. Nice movement, traders, from the time close to 2000 points. Very solid move. See, definitely most of them, what they would have thought, this breakdown I will plan for bearish trade. Like you guys, if you've been following me on a regular basis, you know, mostly I do opposite of what many people do. That logic has to sit. The logic has to be based on price action and stop loss hunting. So here the logic was sitting perfectly. So I was waiting for market here and all. I avoided later at this zone. We got that opportunity. Now we will see how this area, let's say this area now it is acting as resistance or things like that. If it forms a flag pattern, little more upside movement is possible. So quickly we will not jump into the second trade. We'll wait for some time. One more setup we get, we will focus on that. Now here again, what I feel is happening is this zone, right? At this zone, market had given a breakdown. People are considering this area as a resistance. Now, even if I consider this area as resistance, there is a chance that market can give a breakout, hit my stop loss and later correct. So I'm not interested in any bearish setup as of now. Only bullish setup is what I'll be focusing on. If I get that, I'll look into that. All right. I'm watching downfall from 5 p.m. In 10 minutes, we got a reversal super move. So market is not just randomly falling, right? It is doing some kind of decent price action here. Here you can see it was just a sideways market, and then nicely the breakdown has come after breaking the support levels itself. So this was a decent move where little buyers it would have hunted their stop loss, and random people who entered at this breakout, it has hunted their stop loss nicely. Now here also price action like this, if downside move, after this downside move, like I said, there's no other stop loss hunting level. Only stop loss hunting level is of people who entered at this breakdown. To hunt that stop loss, market can move. That's why we took this bullish trade. So we will also consider this as a pullback, right? Downside move, pullback. Here, if market is deciding to go downside, then we will focus. That is when proper price action setup is forming. But if it holds on to this range, right, then we will consider, if it holds on to this range, then it's forming a proper bullish flag pattern, then we will go as per this breakout. If market breaks this level, then more potential is there to continue the trend if it reaches of this level. Before reaching this level only, if it corrects, means that's a different story. I feel the current zone, what market is doing is accumulation of bearish traders, right? So here it might attract some bearish traders. Later it can move towards the upside. So not interested in any bearish trade right now. Maybe let it come to our zone. From upper zone, any bearishness if I get, I will see that. That time to a certain extent, we can say, okay, market has trapped people by giving a breakout. Later it can correct. Only problem which I have is this entire zone is selling pressure zone, right? If market is going above the selling pressure zone, then the probability of trend continuation only is high, uh, rather than market falling. So little careful I have to be about that also. Sellers have to show pressure at this zone. As of now, this level, little pressure they are showing. So should I enter, not enter, is 50-50, because this everyone know this is a recent resistance, it can correct. That is why this becomes a 50-50% chance. But what we can do is, we'll see how much is the risk. Risk is around 400-500 points. Just one candle if I have to give stop loss also. No need. Little more I will wait. Let it come to this zone and see how it reacts. Then we will decide. Sir, why are you not sending pre-market for Nifty and Bank Nifty? I am sending pre-market. This is our free Telegram group. In free Telegram group, I'm not doing that pre-market analysis video in YouTube anymore. I'm focusing on only making education videos there. Pre-market 8 around 9 o'clock I've shared yesterday. Day before yesterday, if you see also, I think I've shared. Where is it? See here, I've shared. So I'm sharing. If you're not following free Telegram channel, then that's why you would have missed it out. 2 minutes, 3 minutes video is more than sufficient to explain pre-market, right? Because enough of data, US market, what would have happened, everything would have got to know. Can you provide with photo also? To provide with photo, previously we were doing, many people were saying through video, when I share things are more clear. It becomes a double work, right? Through photo, video, everything. I'll see what can be done. See, anyone who's sending me message to add to crypto community group, please, after opening account with Delta Exchange, please share your user ID as well. Okay, we will cross check, and by tomorrow I come live, I will ensure I add you to the group. If your account is not reflecting under my referral, then definitely I have to reach out to Delta Exchange team and check out with them. So it will take a bit of time. So we will see. Market is holding strong near the selling pressure zone, traders. We'll see. This breakout here, if market gives a breakout, or here if it gives a breakout, then maybe we have an opportunity on the downside. One attempt I will do. If that is not there, if market is saying no, I want to continue the trend, then high chances the market will break off this level. So that time I'll focus on call option trade. Already one setup is done. One more setup, I'll wait for a bit. For me, same problems are last 4 week. See, usually when I check with the teams saying that, the account is not reflecting under my referral, then the team immediately, they will not usually check. They will take some time, right? So when I give a list of numbers for them to check and get back to us and give confirmation, little time it will take. That is only, that is why sometimes there might be delay. I request you to send like photos also, because I translate to my native language, because I don't know English very very much. Okay. I'll try, you traders. I'll try. Okay. Around 45 people are watching the live stream, only 37 likes. So those who have not yet liked the video, please do that. It would support the channel. Dheeraj sir, hello. Welcome after a long time. Mahesh Reyes also, yeah, after a long time. Should I had held on to this trade? Little too this one stop loss I had given, so this trailing stop loss got hit somewhere here. But expectation was up to the selling pressure zone. Market can come. It can give a breakout at the zone and later correct. So this was my ultimate target, extra around 800 points. But anyways, this is also a decent move itself, close to around 1500 points. Now we will see at the zone. This is the selling pressure zone, the yellow level, what you see. Here any bearishness market is showing or something like that. If there is any bearishness opportunity, I will try. But looking at this continuous green candles, right, little concern will be there. Will it be converting to flag pattern, something like that? This person has to start putting solid pressure at the zone. If he is giving up, then chances of breaking this level is high. We have to see. Here selling pressure started, right? So during this, after this reversal, they have to re-enter. If they're not re-entering, then no point in looking for bearish trade. Continuous up move. See, randomly in between, if I cannot enter any trades, right? Why I cannot enter? Because where to place stop loss? Sensible stop loss area we will not get. Here if I enter simply randomly below this candle, I have to place stop loss and I have to just sit and hope that market will go. If this becomes a habit for me, regularly placing stop loss below the previous candle, that is not at all a setup. That is just hoping for something to happen. So I consider that as luck. So at certain levels, let's say now, for example, in this case, market up to, how much movement it has done, close to 786 level, right? This is a decent zone. And now here at this zone, my expectation is the sellers might re-enter. If I'm thinking of the sellers to re-enter, continuously green candle is coming means I cannot enter. Maybe a red candle forms here. Late at that point of time, maybe I will get one stop loss placing area here. So I can try to capture close to, let's say, 600 to 800 points during this correction. From here, if market reverses also, no problem. Just that the seller has to prove that I'm there. I'm trying to hold this level, this zone. Somewhere he shows us any kind of signal saying that I'm holding this low zone. So there is an opportunity on the bearish side. Then we can try. Here market is kind of showing that pressure at the zone, selling pressure area. So any kind of confirmation I get, how much big is this candle? This candle is around 300 points. So this kind of feels like a bearishness is happening at the zone. So what I will do, I'll do one attempt, but let the candle close. Let the candle close. Simply randomly let me not enter. Only problem is I will get better entry little above also I can place the stop loss. That is the only thing which I was thinking about. and let me quickly switch off to 1 minute time frame. Okay, so that we can see here red candles is forming. So maybe I have no problem to attempt one bearish trade here. Okay, I'm going to place my stop loss here. Switching to 1 minute time frame is a bit advantage for us because we can see we will get kind of better entry for our trade. So here you, instead of placing stop loss here, little above some buffer I have given, I've taken this entry. From here, let's say market corrects a bit. Maybe this zone. Before continuing the uptrend, if market does some kind of gives some kind of pullback also towards the downside, let's say here at this breakout or this breakout, anyone would have entered to hunt their stop loss. If market corrects a bit, that moment I will try to capture. Okay, so that will be my focus right now. So my entry is here. Stop loss is very small, and target can be, first target I'll plan 1:2. Okay, up to this zone is enough. Then if bearishness continues, we will try to hold and trail the stop loss. How to open account app? See, first in this video description box, you will find the link to open account with Delta Exchange. You can go there, open account, and then you have to just send a WhatsApp message to my team on that number and give your user ID that you have got from Delta Exchange. My team will give you the access. Now if you wish to me to send you the link also, you can use this link, right? So in the pinned comment I've shared one link, so you can use that to open account. See, as of now, like I said, this bearish trade I have taken, only reason is because this is the seller's pressure zone. If market holds on to this zone, then a decent 1:2 risk reward, even if this is just a correction, I'll be able to capture. Anyways, first trade profit, whatever we have made, we can use that profit for the second trade. And now if market breaks off this level, means it is bit difficult. That means this seller is no more interested to hold the market lower. Buyers are thinking this is still a fair price, let me go little more higher. That time nothing can be done. I have to focus on the call option setup. As long as market is holding on to this zone, hopefully it will correct, remove some of the weak uh, bullish traders who plan to enter the trade during this up move. How to open account? You see the pin comment, sir. There is the link, right? You can use that link. Now if you see 3 minutes time frame, if I switch, what is market is doing, what the market is doing here, if you see this, it has formed a pole. Now here it is just holding on. If it holds on, what might happen? This might get converted to a bullish flag pattern. So in this bullish flag pattern, sometimes it might give a wrong side breakdown and later reverse also. Okay, or it can directly, after consolidation, both the side movement is possible. but this is the only zone where I can plan for a bearish trade. Once this level is broken, I cannot look for bearish trade in the market. That shows clear confirmation that buyers are strong. That is why, since I don't want to miss out the opportunity, I have planned my entry here. Hopefully, if market gives off the target, I'll just trail and hold, and from the zone again, if market is going very low, I'll keep trailing and going, or minimum at least 1:2 is what I'm planning to hold this trade for, right? So I think you have got clarity about how I'm looking at the market, because that's very important. That's the main reason I come and keep explaining the same thing repetitively. Is this forming strategy? Let me see. Yeah, our strategy also is kind of forming here. So on a 3 minutes time frame, market is showing selling pressure. So the strategy what sir is asking about is about this strategy. This I've shared in the group, EMA based strategy. So the strategy also you will get for absolutely free of cost when you open account with Delta Exchange. So double confirmation, we will see. Best, as per my understanding, best entry I have got for the trade. If sellers have to be active, they have to be here. There's no other place. If it goes above my stop loss, then the chances of continuation only is possible, nowhere reversal. Here if it goes also, instead of reversing, potential of up move only will become high. You keep that in your mind after this live stream also. This will create some confusion for people, so I'll remove that. Now those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the updates and the content what I'm sharing here, support the channel by liking the video. It motivates me to make regular videos for you guys. Little pressure I'm seeing here, not big pressure and all. Only this level, if market breaks, see, this is a this green can this latest green candle is holding on above this green candle, right? That is not a good sign. It has to break this level. This green candle, if it breaks little more smoothly, it will come to this zone. Again, it will create some confusion here, and again it will come down. So it has to go below this candle. Lakshmi Babu sir, good. Even you identified the strategy, and you gave me a double confirmation. Hopefully, strategy works today. See, today both the setup what I've taken is based on stop loss hunting itself. First setup, like I said, breakdown attracting people here, reversal was possible. That's why we focused on bullish. Here, market has given a breakout here, but during this reversal, how many people? This moment I will consider as stop loss hunting level itself, and randomly a bit of people's mindset would be changed to bullish during this breakout, right? So most of the time we do opposite of what many people are thinking. Since people focus was not on the bearish side, it was on the bullish side during this move. Expectation was to hunt their stop loss, market can correct. That is the only logic for the second bearish trade which I have taken. Okay, I hope you have got clarity about the logic why I have taken this trade. We will see. Now, since I believe, based on my understanding, if market goes above breaks of this zone, then it's not going to stop. It's going to make a bigger momentum towards the upside. Slowly I will start reducing my stop loss. Okay, so eventually if market is going below, then okay, I'll get off my stop loss to cost. After that I have nothing to worry. I can simply hold on to the trade. Just in the comment section, traders, let me know if the logic for both the setup is it clear for you, why I have taken this bearish trade. I've explained 2-3 times. Any doubts you have, please ask me. If you have understood the logic already, good. Let me know in the comment section so that I don't repeat the same thing. Crystal clear, okay. Logic clear, okay. Yes, this market is forming a consolidation kind of situation itself, consolidation for a flag pattern. But before continuing the upside move, it has to remove some weak players, right? That is why this extra move I'm expecting. From this zone only, okay, I have corrected enough. Let me decide to go, means nothing can be done. I might have to give my stop loss. My expectation is little more it will correct up to if it breaks this zone. So hopefully I'm waiting for at least that levels. Risk is small, reward is 1:2. So only 2 people, crystal clear, logic is clear. But 44 people are watching the live stream. What clarity will I get if my logic is clear or not? Sir, you are the first person on YouTube which gave me confidence to recover my loss. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. See, it's all about probability, right? Here probability was bullish, here probability is bearish. And if market is going opposite to us, market is supreme, that we need to agree, right? So if market is going opposite to us, only thing what we can do, this predetermined stop loss we give and we come out, right? How much damage market is trying to create, we have to try to just reduce that damage. Okay, that means at that point of time, it is not that our strategy is wrong or we don't have to blame ourselves for anything. At that point of time, market decided I don't want to do that. That's all. If market is saying I don't want to do that, opposite of what you're thinking I want to do, then give off that small stop loss and come out. That is the best thing, traders. Let's not overcomplicate. When we overcomplicate itself, you compare previous trade with the current trade, that is when problem creates. Thanks Danny for confirming. Kuberan sir, thanks for confirming. Yes sir, our yes, we are using right loop. Decent move, because market is a bit this one, right? Around 540 points move market has done already. So hopefully it achieves this 1:2. This red candle continuation, it has to keep happening. As much as it happens, it is good for us. So now no point in giving such a big stop loss. We will reduce it up to this zone, not up to, little up to this zone. So now this is complete risk-free trade, right? it has become completely risk free for us. What is your view on scalping? See, scalping is good itself. I most of the time I prefer to do scalping, but in crypto, since it is very volatile, right? So it is a bit. We can do scalping, but at the same time, when it comes to brokerage, you keep adding positions one by one and all those things. It might create some kind of confusion. But I've done many times scalping in this. But as a beginner, when you start trail trail S, trail the SL, I have just trailed it up to this zone. Now no loss for me. You want to exit at the zone, you could have exited, no problem. That additional move by trailing too much only I lost right here. Huh? Our view, everything was clear. My mindset when I'm sitting alone, I don't worry too much about the stop loss. Around 2000, out of 2400 points, I was able to capture only 1500 points in this trade, only because of trailing the stop loss too much. Now you can say, okay, you should have trailed here, market will come, it will hit your trailing stop loss. Now the profit what you made, you will lose. I'm okay with that. I'm completely okay by not making profit at all in this trade. I'm just focusing, is my capital protected by placing the stop loss here? Capital is protected, that's all is my concern. Over the period of so many years, repetitively, how much ever mistake I've been doing, all of those, from that what I have learned, that is what I'm doing here. Too much of emotion related to trailing stop loss, all those things. There are certain situations where I will definitely say, okay, if I had taken the bullish trade, I was holding on. That time you can see at this zone, when I said, okay, this is the selling pressure zone, market will might tend to correct here, the sellers might re-enter. That time, as much as possible, I'll trail off the stop loss. Okay, but in certain situation, this is the level. If market can correct a bit, nothing can be done. I'm okay to give that stop loss. See, mindset when it comes to stop loss, target, how you react when you make a loss, when you make a profit is different. Initially stage, comparing, will be getting happy or will keep getting sad, but eventually the market movement is not one or two candle, it is series of candles, right? Series of candles only will tell you the price action. That price action itself is what we have to focus about. Here a doji candle is formed, so this is the zone. So doji candle breakout, doji candle breakdown, all those logic doesn't sit in my head. This is the selling pressure zone. As long as market is holding selling pressure zone, I am kind of safe is my understanding. If market is saying no, you're not safe, I'm going to hit your stop loss, let it do it. But for many people at the initial stage, you want to hold on to the profit that you made. You want to hold on to it, good. You want to trail, no problem. Because some people mindset might be, okay, I'll have come with a very less capital, I'll be trailing my stop loss so that I don't take too much risk. But when market goes as per my view, I'll keep holding on to the trade. So with this only, I'll try to build my capital. Doing that way is a bit difficult, but as long as you're not making too much loss, then your psychology also will not get affected that much. So that is kind of okay. The biggest profits what I have made in my trading career is when I have not trailed my stop loss too much, right? Adding to the winning positions when I do only is where I have made good returns. Suresh Kumar Sundaram, clear bro, okay. It's kind of getting sideways to not that much of a movement compared to how it was moving before, right? traders, I've kept my stop loss here, but whoever has entered along with me already, you would be in profit, right? Now let me say there is a 50% chance. I'm not worried about giving this stop loss because it is already, because there is nothing for me to lose here. So I'm okay to hold on to this trade. But if you are worried, you want to exit, you exit. Okay. But for me, it's okay. Nothing to lose. Those of you watching the live stream, if you're making use of the content, then support the channel by liking the video, subscribing. Every day I'll be coming live around 8 o'clock. So if you guys are interested in live market, Nifty Bank Nifty, sorry, crypto market, always I keep saying Nifty Bank Nifty because that is what I keep doing on a regular basis. So crypto live every day 8 o'clock I come. So if you're interested, you guys can subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified. Sir, I have created account by referral. I want to join your crypto community. Sure, sir. Drop a message to this phone number, what you're seeing on screen. My team will cross after, and you just send your Delta Exchange user ID, okay, which you have opened. My team will refer that. If you are reflecting under our referral, we'll give you free access to the crypto community group. Those who want to open account also, you can do that. Pinned comment, we have Delta Exchange link. So again here, it is maybe if it is forming a flag pattern and if it is coming out of this zone, like I said, bigger movement is possible. That's why up to this zone, it did not make sense for me to place my stop loss. I got it off to below cost to cost only. So whatever happens, let market decide. At this zone, can I plan for a bullish trade? Some people might ask, but wait, let it. This is the selling pressure zone. Let market say, no, I'm going to go above the selling pressure zone. Let it break this level, because if it breaks off this level by giving a big movement, then the market view might be, I don't have any stop loss at the bottom, why should I go down, let me continue the trend. That would be the most probability towards continuation would be high. So that is something you can consider. See, in this case for me, I've not made any loss in this trade. Close to $5 or $6 is what I have got in this by tailing the stop loss. In this case, what can be the next plan is this is the zone. If market is holding on to the zone, then simply what you do is switch to the 3 minutes time frame. You see, this is a market has formed a pole. It is trying to form a flag. Once it comes out of the bullish flag pattern, then focus on the bullish trade. So many people are bearish. To create a bit confusion, once market coming out of this zone, right, it can next target this area. So definitely if it comes out of the zone, I have 80 to 90% chance that market will break the zone once it comes out of this. So that is a setup on the bullish side we can focus on. As of now, this entire level is selling pressure zone. From here again market can continue also, so please be a bit careful about that. Hopefully the view about the next trading setup is clear. No need to be bullish as long as market goes above this area, right? This is what I'm thinking. Already two trading setups done. One cost to cost, one around 1500 points we have captured. Since this is the first day, too much I don't want to stay in the market, so that's why I'm already giving the view. One last time I will say, this is the pole, this is a flag. Let market come out of the pole level, right, or let it give a breakout, then we'll focus on the upside move. Here it has a potential of moving close to, let's say, around 900 to 1000 points. But as long as it is staying within the seller's pressure zone, potential is this seller might hold on to this range and correct also. Okay, so with that view only I plan my trade. Anyways, trailing stop loss it has taken, no problem. So hopefully my view is very clear for you guys. I think close to 1 hour live stream I have done. From tomorrow I will try my best to plan for 2 hours, because people have asked me to stay for live stream for more duration. That I'll do from tomorrow. Today is Shivratri, things like that. Decent setup we have got. This first setup was very good. This one cost to cost. Anyone booked their profit here, exited the trade also, no problem. So I think I'll close for today, right? So tomorrow again 8 o'clock I'll come live stream. I'll try my best to stay for 2 hours, right? From next week definitely 2 hours I am going to be, but from tomorrow only I will try to be live for 2 hours. Okay, so whoever has opened account with Delta Exchange using a referral link, reach out to my team on this number, or you note down this number. Okay, you send a WhatsApp message only to this number. We will look into that. You share your Delta Exchange user ID, and then we will give you access to our crypto community group, where you get crypto analysis and also free access to the strategy and future whatever courses that I do related to crypto. Everything is free for you guys. I'm not planning to keep too many people in this group. Limited people, around 1,000 people is more than sufficient for me. So once that 1,000 people limit I cross, I don't think I'll have more subscribers. So whoever wants to be a part of that, you can join at the initial stage itself. Okay, because I don't want to be this I just want to have a very small community, right? So that's about it. Thank you everyone for participating in the live stream. Hopefully little bit about price action, stop loss hunting, whatever I discussed was useful for you. You see now again market is correcting and there is a chance to hit this target. Only thing is this, as long as the selling pressure zone breaks, don't look for any bullish trade. Okay, this is my personal opinion, rest is up to you. Today Shivratri, so we will stay whole night. Yeah, whole night even I have to stay, but little quality time with family I have to spend, right? So that is the only reason. Thank you everyone for participating. Still temple also have not gone, all those things are there. So okay, thank you for participating the live stream. Happy Shivratri for everyone. God bless you, stay blessed, good night. Before I just close the live stream, at least try to like the video if you have not done it already. Please be a bit bearish in the zone itself until this level breaks. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you traders, good night, bye bye.